Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to disconnect wallet in Trustwallet. Let's start! So before we go there, what are the cases wherein your wallet is connected to a certain site? This is when, if you need to trade something or if you want to buy cryptos or if you want to be part of, bidding and you would need to, connect your wallet, even like on pre-sales, like you can actually do that. For those who doesn't know anything about cryptocurrency, I would suggest you guys subscribe to our channel and you would be able to learn more about cryptocurrency and you earn more from that. So let's begin. So I'll show you a perfect example of disconnecting wallet. So in my case, I'm an avid, let's say, user of Pancake Swap Finance where I actually do my trading here. Um, you know, when your wallet is connected, so say, let me just, give you like a step by step. So when your wallet has to be connected to a site like this one, you click on this one, right? So when you click on connect wallet, trust wallet, just hit on continuing. Just hit on that button just to make sure that your wallet is connected. So once you're here, when you do your trading, your whatever tokens or the amount of tokens that you have on your wallet is also reflected on the site that you are connected. But say for example, if you need to go to another site or if you need to just pretty much transfer your wallet, what you need to do is just click where you connect your wallet, and then there's an option there that says disconnect. It's that simple. When you do that, and then for example, if you want to go to another site again and for it to connect your wallet, then you're okay. You won't be getting any errors because you're already disconnected from this one. That's it. So if you like this tutorial, guys, please hit like. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.